Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On the left is the British High Commission, on the right is Spanish Court Hotel, and we are on Trafalgar Road heading towards the National Stadium. Just to give you a quick explanation of where we are, on the left is Jampro, straight ahead on the right is the UCC, it's a university. We're just passing over Musgrave Avenue. Okay, we're now coming to the intersection with Lady Musgrave Road. Turn left, we take Lady Musgrave Road up to Ligani. Go straight across, we take Lady Musgrave Road towards Crossroads. Now on the right is some construction going on. And almost every road you go on in Jamaica, you see construction. Whether it's a house, an apartment building, an office building. So the economy must be really doing well, because people wouldn't be building if people weren't renting or buying. And this is just on the outskirts of New Kingston, so this is prime real estate. I'm looking for a sign to see what they're building, but I don't see a sign. But based on the size of the project and the location, I would assume it's either going to be a plaza or an apartment building. Okay, at this intersection now, turn left and we'll go on to Old Hope Road. That takes us up to Ligani. Turn right, we go on to North Avenue, and that takes us to the Swallowfield area. That's where you have the depot, the examination depot. But we turn right and we are taking Old Hope Road towards Crossroads. Now straight ahead on the right is the NCB Towers. And the first building you see, that's a helipad for persons to land their helicopter. The Ministry of Justice occupies some floors in these buildings, but they belong to NCB, and they're called the NCB Towers. You have the North Tower and the South Tower. So straight ahead now, that intersection is, we are on Old Hope Road. If we go straight, we take Old Hope Road towards Crossroads. Turn right, we take Oxford Road back to New Kingston. And turn left, you take Tom Redcombe Road to Camp Road, or the downtown or Crossroads area. So we're going to turn left. So if we turn left here now, we go on to Arthur Wint Drive, and that is where you find the Bustamante Hospital for Children. On the left, we just passed the Liquor Theatre, and then on the left now, it's the head office for the Jamaica Library Service, and also the Tom Redcombe Library. think the official name for the library is the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library, but everybody just refers to it as the Tom Redcombe Library. Okay, so on the left now, that's Up Park Camp, and this is the largest military base in Jamaica, the home of the Jamaica Defense Force. If we turn right, we go on to Caledonia Avenue, and that will take us into Crossroads. On the left, it was the old gate for the JDF base, but the base has gotten so big and there was so much traffic going in and out that gate was causing a traffic nightmare. So they built a new gate down here, and you can now turn off, and you have a lot more space to enter the base because you have to go through security checks to go on the base.